Hello everyone, this is the quiz board question number 247. Which one of the following statement is true for the following transformation? This is the transformation and this is the diastereomer product. Now in this starting material, this transformation follow to the Creme rule. Here according to Creme's rule, large substituent and carbonyl opposite to each other. That's why according to Creme's rule, first static material convert to the Newman projection and put the small large substituent, medium substituent and small substituent. This is the Newman projection. According to Creme rule, carbonyl compound and benzyl compound, that means large group is opposite to each other, and this is the medium substituent and this is the small substituent. Now here Grignard reagent RMGX denoted as this alkyl group is the R dash. Now R dash attached to the carbonyl compound. This is the small substituent. That's why the R dash attached to the here. Now this is the form in the carbon-carbon rotational conformation. Now this structure rotate to the 60 degree, and R dash and benzyl group opposite to each other, and OH and methyl group same side, that means this is to each other. Now however, if the product is the one methyl group and OH group, both are same side, it means wedge side. That's why the correct answer is the one is the major product and follow to the Creme's rule. Now but another short trick is the according to Creme's rule, large substituent and carbonyl opposite to each other, and but here starting material the large substituent and carbonyl is the same side, it means the cis structure. Now in that means the this chiral center rotate the rotation, and large substituent is the below the side. It means the this is the large substituent and this is the medium substituent and this is the small substituent. Now rotate rotation and large substituent below the plane. Now this is the medium substituent. It means the hydrogen is the near to me, that means it is the wedge side, and medium substituent is the methyl, it is the away from me, that means it is the dash side, and large substituent is the plane. Now R dash attached to the wedge side because the hydrogen is the wedge side. It means the small substituent is the wedge side. It means the R dash is the attached to the wedge side. Now in this structure form, and here CH3 and OH group both are same side. It means the cis to each other, and in this product benzyl group and allylic group the stagger to each other. That means this structure can be rotated and form the CH3 and OH group in the wedge side. Thank you.